everyone, my name is Aneeshwar Kunchala and this is no ordinary episode. This is the top 10 Garden Birdwatches. Are you ready? And this is how this program goes. First, we're going to tell you the superpower of these birds. Example, what I'm going to do today is the sparrow. And I didn't know they could swim. I learned that. All the time we learn something new. That's something what I'm going to show you. You may not know this, you may not know that. How cool would that be? Learning the fun facts about these birds. And we're going to learn the sound of these birds. I'm going to show you my drawings, how I draw them. It's going to be awesome. And the first bird I'm going to feature is, drum roll, the house sparrow. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell and comment down below. Then you can see more of these videos.